Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Level and stats matter because Ethiron resonance scales with your focus. Once confirmed, collect 3 Ethiron shards and a binding stone and set aside 500 gold. These convert raw fragments into gaze form. Begin in a cleared area with a steady light source so the synthesis timer won't be interrupted. This reduces failure chance. Now activate the synthesis interface and slot the shards and binding stone. You'll see resonance build immediately, which is the cue to continue. Once the resonance meter appears, you need to actively manage it. Maintain it between 60 and 80% by applying short pulse taps rather than hold actions, because spikes cause fragmentation. At the 2-minute mark, administer a half-dose focus tonic to stabilize the waveform. This both reduces volatility and increases yield. During this phase, minimize movement and avoid heavy skill casts, since large inputs reset the meter. Keep an eye on small yellow indicators. They warn of an imminent spike, so you can correct it. To finish, wait until the meter steadies above 75% and then execute the final bind by holding the activation for 10 continuous seconds. Do not release early, because partial binds produce weak gazes. If the process fails, immediately salvage 1 shard and reforge using 250 gold and a stabilizer. That preserves progress and reduces repeat cost. Finally, test the Ethiron Gaze with a short target check. If output is low, recalibrate by repeating a shortened synthesis cycle with 1 shard and a...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.